Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bear Campbell and I am here to try on some wigs from wish.com. So I am feeling a little bit under the weather, you guys. So if I sound like totally crazy, it's because, well, one, I am, but two, I am getting over a cold, allergies. I don't know. I'm not feeling bad. I've got that post-nasal drip, you know, and a little bit of a cough. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And come bear with me as we try on these wigs from Wish.
Press play, you should bear with me.
So I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. The thing with Wish is that you order them and then it takes like a month to come in. Like you literally forget that you ordered it and then it arrives and you're like, oh. Here is wig number 1. And look, it comes with a wig cap. That's awesome. I will be using that. And it even tells you how to use the wig cap. There's like a cute little girl that's illustrated here showing you how to put it on. And then this is the wig itself. Let me take the net off. Oh, by the way, yes, I took my extensions out. So this is all my natural hair. Can you believe it? For those of you that have been following me, you know I had it like shaved. And now it's short like this. I took my extensions out because they were falling out and I just kind of wanted to see what my hair was like. And I kind of think it's cute. I'm thinking about dyeing it a different color, but honestly, I'm ready to start playing with some wigs. So let's see if any of these from Wish are good. So this is the first unit. She is a blonde blunt bob and she's got a little bit of a root ombre sort of thing going on. There are combs in the front, so that's kind of exciting. And this cap is adjustable, so that's also nice too. The hair quality is, it's a wig from Wish, but you know, it might look good for photos and stuff. So let's just see. So if you have longer hair, I'm talking to you like this. If you have longer hair, you might need to braid your hair like in 2 braids and then pin it flat against your head and then put on the wig cap. Or you can pin curl it, which I actually like doing. I feel like it makes your hair less bulky underneath the wig, but I understand that not everyone feels comfortable doing that or knows how. My hair is so short still, I feel like I can just kind of put it on and tuck it up and it ends up doing okay. All right, the wig cap is on, so let's put the wig on. Every wig is different. Oh, this wig cap took off like all my makeup. Oh my God. It's fine, whatever. So every wig is different. Some wigs I feel better putting them on like back to front, and others I feel better front to back. So I like the hair, but the front of this wig is brutal. That is so harsh. And listen, I know she ain't no lace front. I know I bought this wig from Wish, but even other wigs I have that aren't lace fronts aren't this bad. I think she's kind of cute though. Like I like, if I just keep the top part of me out of the frame, I like it. Look, that angle's really cute. The hair is soft. It's shedding a little bit, but it's just out the bag, so. I feel like the problem is the way that they installed the hair right here, because all of this is going like forward. I just want to put it back. But you know what? It's actually kind of cute. I think this might be like one of those bad hair day wigs where like you can just throw her on and throw a hat over it, like a beanie. Yeah, cause like check her out with the beanie. She's pretty cute. I feel like I already have a big forehead, but this wig really makes me feel like I have a big forehead. It's not bad though. I'm gonna rate it like a 5 out of 10, like a 6 out of 10. Like, yeah. Every time I put the wig cap on, more and more makeup comes off because I've been sweating. So I film in a garage now, so it gets sweaty. I'm going to buy a tower fan though. It's like Christmas to me because I genuinely forgot what I ordered. This is the second wig. It is a long black wig with things. She doesn't have any clips in the cap, but the cap is still adjustable. It's kind of like a no-part wig, I guess. Okay. So this wig feels a lot cheaper than the other one. The hair is very thin. Like, I can see the tracks really easily in this thing. And the hair is thin and it's already tangling, and I just put it on. It feels fake. Like, it feels like silky. But I know sometimes wigs can be shiny and you can fix that with dry shampoo. So here I am using the Moroccan oil dry shampoo. This is in light tones, but I hope it's fine. I know that this can help, but I'm not sure if this wig can be helped because it is so cheap. But then again, I bought it for cheap. Like, what did I expect? I'm waiting to find like a steal. I'm waiting to be like, oh wow, you got that from Wish? Oh my God, you know? But I don't think that's gonna happen in this haul. I don't know. You tell me. I don't like it. I don't think I like it. I'm gonna rate that one like a 3. Like a 3 out of 10. I didn't really like that one. The first one was really dense, but I didn't like the way they had done the front. The second wig was nice at first. I thought the way they sewed it in was good, but it didn't have clips and the density was really tragic. The first wig seemed promising, but I just feel like the way that they had sewn it in the front was not it. I had high hopes for the second one. It turns out that one was also trash. I'm getting really bummed because I saw some cool people find good wigs on Wish, and I'm like really sad that none of mine are turning out. All right, we got one more left. I have no hopes left. So cross your fingers for me that this one's a good one. Remember how I said I don't remember what I ordered? I'm shocking myself. I'm like, oh wow, I got myself a purple wig. Yes, queen? You see, she's like a really long purple wig. No combs, adjustable cap. I'm loving this purple color. I want to experiment with my hair color again. So the parting in the front is not the best. Obviously, you can tell that she is a wig, but it's not bothering me, you know? I'm like, oh yeah, it's a wig, but like it's cute, you know, like you know it's a wig. But again, I think you could rock a beanie with it. You know, you can rock this one with a beanie and it looks really nice. I love it, actually. I know she looks cheap, but it's still bringing me joy. So again, I think this one would be really good for pictures, anything where you can kind of edit the shine and maybe the hairline even if you really want to try. Of course, if you want a high quality wig, you are gonna have to pay the price for a high quality wig. I personally love going to beauty supply stores that are local to me and checking out their wig collection and supporting Black-owned businesses. And sometimes they'll let you try them on and even give you some recommendations on what to do. They usually have some good options between high heat synthetic and human hair. I've found my best wigs shopping locally like that than I have online. However, there is a wig company that I do suggest if you want to try something online, from Lush Wigs. I've gotten some really great things from them. Wish, I don't know yet. I've got one so far that I barely like. I would give this one a 5 out of 10. I would give this one a 5 out of 10. It serves its purpose, it works, you can finesse it, but is it blowing me away? No. Goblin brain in me is like, ooh, purple hair, and I love it. So maybe I'll give it a 6 out of 10. That is gonna do it for today's video. So if you liked this, let me know if you want a part 2. I might order some different wigs and try again, or maybe I can make this a series and try something from Amazon or any other websites that you recommend that I try. Leave a comment down below and let me know anything else that you would like to see. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more beauty related content. If you want to, you can stalk me on social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It's all at Bear Campbell Beauty. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
What a life is a lifestyle. Maybe you should come in bed with me. Ooh.